Manuel Blum, shown here wearing one of his characteristic shirts, was the 1995 AM Turing Award winner. He is best known for his work studying computational complexity. He was born in 1938 in Caracas, Venezuela, after his parents left Europe in the 1930s. He grew up in Venezuela and went to school there before leaving for the United States, where he would attend the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. While in Caracas, he also met his future wife, Manuel Blum, and would eventually also attend MIT and earn a PhD from there as well. Manuel was motivated from an early age to learn about how brains work because he wanted to be smarter. He said that as a child he was the opposite of a prodigy. This desire to understand the brain led him to study electrical engineering at MIT because he thought circuitry might shed some light on the matter. After some studying, he decided that the limitations of the brain must be related to what can and cannot be computed, and therefore he developed an interest in complexity theory. In 1964, Manuel earned his PhD from MIT with a dissertation entitled A Machine-Independent Theory of the Complexity of Recursive Functions. His work has contributed to the formulation of the P versus NP problem, and his work has also shed light on many discoveries about what can and cannot be approximated in certain time bounds. Since earning his PhD, Manuel has been awarded many impressive awards. He is a member of the United States National Academy of Sciences and the National Academy of Engineering. He is a fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, the American Association for the Advancement of Science, and the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. He has held professorships at MIT, Berkeley, and CMU, teaching at Berkeley for over 35 years. His research spans over 50 major paper publications, and he has been an advisor to many talented graduate students, among them Luis Van Ahn and Gary Miller, both now Carnegie Mellon professors. Manuel and Lenore have one son, Avram, and all three have been CMU professors since the early 2000s. Manuel's research has focused on cryptography, secure passwords, and program checking. His interest in the complexity of a task was what led in part to the creation of CAPTCHAs, the test websites used to make sure a user is human and not a bot. He wondered if the inherent complexity of a task could be used to make sure that the agent solving the problem is not a computer but rather a human. This line of thinking has also carried over to his current research in password authentication, where he's trying to develop a protocol that no computer can learn how to do. Manuel has had a fantastic research career that has influenced many fields and has had some spectacular results.